we will learn how to fit SP41 pivot kit. So you see there is two part, one is a ring, one is this black part. If you see on a ring, L is mentioned here. See, L is mentioned here. That means it's a left part. Same like on this part, on the right side, and this red part, you see L is mentioned. That means it's a left side. And inside the whole, this black part also, you see here L is mentioned. Means it's a clear both are left side pivot kit. So now if you see in a ring, this one is a small size and this one is a big size. It's very clear. Same in this black part also, this one is a big size and this one is a small size. See here, this one a big size, this one is a small size. So we have to keep this small part in here is this small part of the ring, and this big part towards this big size of the ring, like this big part and this one will be same side, and this small part and small part of the ring will be same side, and these two pillars will go inside the hole of the ring like this. Okay, now it's a pivot kit ready. Now we have to first keep visor like this, and if you see in a helmet, this one is a big hole and this one is a small hole. See, this one is a big hole and this one is a small hole. So we have to put this big part inside the big hole and this small part inside the small hole, like this. Now we have to move towards clockwise. One locking sound will come. Now it's fitted. Now this one is a red switch. We have to keep this red switch towards C. C is mentioned here like this. C means close, O means open. So always we have to keep this switch towards C only. Same exercise we have to do right side also. Right side also, if you see on a ring, R is mentioned here. Here if you see, R is mentioned, and R is mentioned on this red part here. Okay, here R is mentioned, and R is mentioned inside this hole on a black part. Okay, and same thing we can see this one is a big part of, and this one is a small part, and on a ring also, in a ring this one is a small part and this one is a big part. So same we have what we have done in a left side pivot kit. We have to keep this big black part towards this big size, and this small black part towards small size like this. Now it's ready. And see here, this hole is a big, this hole is small, so we have to put this big black part in a big hole and this small black part in a small hole. Like if you see, this one is a big, we have to put in a big hole and this is small, and we have to move towards anti-clockwise. Means left side pivot kit we have to move towards anti-clockwise, right side we have to move toward clockwise. And now this red switch we have to keep towards C. C means close, like this. Always we will fit right side pivot kit towards right side pivot kit in a right side of the helmet, and black side pivot kit in a black side of the helmet. If we will change it, locking function will not work. And whenever we drive, we have to keep this red switch towards C only. We will use this red switch only when we want to remove the visor. Otherwise, we always keep this red switch towards C. Okay, thank you.